Please think about the occasion or the purpose for which you have left Vaikunta and found your abode here in Tirumala. Please give your darshan and make it a holy morning, my Lord. Sri Swami Pushkarini Kaplavarirmalanga Shreyortino Haravirinchi Sanandanadhya Dvare Vasanti Varavedra Hatottamanga Sri Venkatachalapathe Tava Suprabhatam. Even the gods of creation and destruction, Brahma and Shiva, take immense pleasure to take a holy dip in the divine tank abetting your shrine with all the eagerness to have a glimpse of your face. You may please wake up to receive them and acknowledge their humility by accepting their respects and submissions, O Lord Venkatachalapati. Sri Sesha Shaila Garudachala Venkatadri Narayanadri Vrishabadri Vrishadri Mukhyam Akhyam Tvadiya Vasatera Nisham Vadanti Sri Venkatachalapathe Tava Suprabhatam. The names of the 7 hills, that includes the Seshagiri, Garudagiri, Venkatagiri, Narayanagiri, Vrishabhagiri, Vrishagiri and Simhachala are prompted with reverence by all the Devas, headed by Shiva, and they are all waiting to witness the sacred beauty of your darshan, my Lord. Seva para Shiva Suresha Krishanu Dharma Rakshambunada Vavamana Dhanadinada Pattanjali Pravilasanni Jasisha Desha Sri Venkatachalapathe Tava Suprabhatam. Along with Shiva are the Indra, the head of Devas, Yama, the promoter, Kubera, the lord of wealth, the lords of fire, earth, wind and rains, Agni, Nritti, Vayu and Varuna are all assembled, alacritus with their hands folded, waiting to receive your commands, knowing well that serving you, my Lord, is the most pleasurable experience, that which gives extreme power by total submission. O Sri Venkata, please attend to their beseeching presence. Dati Chute Vihagaraja Mrigadiraja Nagadiraja Gajaraja Hayadiraja Swaswadikara Mahimadikamattayante Sri Venkatachalapathe Tava Suprabhatam. Garuda, the king of the sky, the lion, the king of the jungle, the king of elephants, the king of the cobras and the king of the horses are all elegant, but still they stand humble before your shrine, since they are all aware that your Utsava in their Vahanas is an ethereal beauty incomparable. O the King of Kings, please give them the grace of your darshan. Suryendu Bhauma Buddha Vakpati Kavya Sauri Swadbhanu Ketu Devi Shat Parishat Pradhana Tvaddasa Dasa Saramavati Dasa Dasa Sri Venkatachalapathe Tava Suprabhatam. Starting from the sun, all the planets that could show their prowess even upon the Devas have gratified the requirements of all your bhaktas affectionately and have lined up to have your sacred darshan, O Sri Venkata. Bless them and the devotees abundantly with your darshan. Tvatpada Duli Varitaspuritottamanga Swarga Bhavarga Nirabesha Nijantaranga Kalpagama Kalanaya Kulatam Labante Sri Venkatachalapathe Tava Suprabhatam. being attracted by your presence in Tirumala, all the planets in the yonder have renounced their desire to move to the heaven, and they systematically come around the earth for the glimpse of your face. They are eager only to join you to Vaikunta when you would leave after the Big Bang at the end of the Kali Yuga, which to get fulfilled, they do all the good to your bhaktas since ages long before, now and forever. O Lord, entertain them as your ardent bhaktas and bless them all. Tadgopuragra shikarani nirishamana Swargavavarga patavim paramam shrayanta Matya manushya bhuvanem matimashrayante Sri Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam. Those humble men who have attained spiritual elevation with their righteousness and wisdom, those who aspire to have moksha from this birth, all happen to change their mind. After visiting your shrine, they aspire to be born again as a human, so that they could continue to have the pleasure of being your bhakta. O Lord, they deserve your darshan. Sri Bhumi Nayaka Dayadi Gunamritapte Devadi Deva Jagadeka Sharanyamurte Sriman Ananta Garudadi Virachitangre Sri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. Lakshmi, the prosperous mother of the earth, is always at your service with love. You are known for your limitless generosity to your bhaktas, and you stand apart also as the Lord of the Devas. Now all the Devas join the Adisesha and the Garuda to worship you and perform pujas at your lotus feet. You should be awake to bless them all in the golden hours of daybreak, O Venkata, my Lord. Sri Padmanabha Purushottama Vasudeva Vaikuntha Madhava Janardhana Chakrapane Sri Vatsa Shinna Charanagata Parijata Sri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. In the names Padmanabha, Purushottama, Vasudeva, Vaikuntha Madhava, Janardhana and Chakrapane, and with the name Srivatsa, you glitter with your grace to take care of the bhaktas as a Parijata. O Venkatachalapati, it's a holy morning. Khandarbhadarbhara Sundara Divyamurthe Kanta Kushamruha Kutmalola Drishte Kalyana Nirmala Gunakara Divya Kirte Sri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam. You are the only one who has a beaming charisma that could outbeat the glitter of Manmatha, the looks which are combined with all the good virtues and sadgunas of the kindest and the mightiest, and still your submission to the femininity of your dearest, always in your heart, has given you an incomparable status of supremacy in bringing exemplary goodness to all those devotees. O Lord, your darshan can do all the good. Neenakrite kamatakola nrisimha varnin Swamin paraswatata bodhana Ramachandra Sesham sarama yadunandana kalki rupa Sri Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam. You knew your responsibilities, and to fulfill all of them, you came in as avatars up till as Krishna. So will you be in time to set things right in your Kalki avatar. And now is the time you need to wake up and bless all those who have put you in their thought, heart and deed, Lord of Lords, Sri Venkatachalapati. Yelalavangagana sugandhitirtham Divyam viyatsarita hema gateshu purnam Dhritvadya vaidika shikhamaniya prihishta Tishtanti Venkatapate tava suprabhatam. All those Brahmins and your Bhaktas are assembled bearing on their heads the water from the Akasha Ganga soaked with rare spices such as elachi, camphor, clove, all for your Abhisheka. Their love and submission deserves your darshan. O Venkatapati, bless all with your benevolent darshan. Bhaswanudehi vikasani saroruhani Sampurayanti ninadaikha kubo vihanga Sri Vaishnava satamardita mangalaste Thamashrayanti tava Venkata suprabhatam. All the living creatures from the lotus blossom to the birds chirping, irrespective of the quantum of intelligence, have realized your supremacy as much as a Vedic Vaishnavite would do. And they all in unison are eager to have your darshan and blessings for happiness. O Venkata, bless them all. Brahmadayas suravaras samaharshayaste Santas sanantana mukhastava yogi varya Thamandike tava hi mangala vastu hasta Sri Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam. The eagerness of Brahma and the enthusiasm of the yogis and the Sanatanas are all being displayed overwhelmingly near the shrine. They are all present with all the materials required for your decoration and with those embellishments on you. They are waiting to surprise you with love. O Venkatachalapati, please attend to this special wake-up call, my Lord. Lakshmi Nivasa Niravaidya Gunaika Sindho Samsara Sagara Samuddaranaika Seto Vedanta Vedya Nija Vaibhava Bhakta Bhogya Sri Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam. With Lakshmi in your heart, you have set an example to the ideal life in the oceanic turbulence of a family life. You have always been to show your love to those with the curing qualities of Shantagunas. Your such bhaktas are assembled to have the glimpse of your holy face. Please condescend, my Lord, to attend to them with your grace and mercy. Ittam Vrishachalapateriha suprabhatam Ye manava pratidinam patitum pravritta Tesham prabhata samaye smritiranga bhajam Prajñam parartha sulabham paramam prasute. With faith in the name of the Lord of the Hills, Sri Venkatachalapati, it is imperative and important for every youngster to chant the Suprabhata mantras in the divine tune with a resounding pitch during the daybreak of every morning with utmost reverence in this otherwise difficult mundane world. And every such person is bound to take the booty of extreme spiritual wisdom followed by health, wealth and peace. Om Namo Narayana.